practice Kendo every Friday and on some Saturdays. I decided to start Kendo because I thought it was quite unique how you use different moves and use swords for a sport, and I also wanted to try a new Japanese culture activity. I think the most difficult part of Kendo is the technique, because you have to be quite precise with the steps and methods. I think my favorite move is men because I just like how simple it is. Men is when you hit someone with a sword on the head, but they have gear on so they won't get hurt. Other sports I do is soccer and swimming. The difference about Kendo and soccer is that Kendo, you have to use your voice quite well. I use my voice in Kendo so to respect the person and to put energy in myself so I can be more excited. The thing that I learned is once you try new things, they could be funner than you expect them to be. I want to continue Kendo even when I move, and I want to reach level 1.